Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying the mosquito net flat. This removes hidden twists that cause bulk. Once done, locate the top loop or hanger. This becomes your alignment anchor. Smooth wrinkles outward from the center so fabric lies even. This reduces trapped air and uneven layers. Make sure to remove ties or clips because they create bumps when folded. This first step speeds every later fold, and it prevents accidental damage when you compress layers for storage. Next, fold the net into vertical panels, 2 or 3 depending on width, so edges align tightly. This creates manageable sections. Then fold each panel horizontally, making long, even strips. Think of accordion pleats to control bulk. As you fold, compress trapped air and keep a steady tension. This reduces uneven lumps and keeps mesh from stretching. If your net has seams or rings, fold them into the center to avoid snags. These middle steps set the shape for compact storage and easier unfolding later. For the final step, roll the folded strips tightly from one end to the other into a compact cylinder. This keeps the mesh uniform and prevents creases. Once rolled, secure with a soft tie or Velcro. Avoid sharp clips that can puncture the fabric. Place the bundle in a breathable bag and store it in a dry, cool spot to prevent mildew. If something goes wrong, if the roll bulges or shifts, unroll, realign panels, and re-roll evenly. That fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.